Alright, here we are. I'm about to buy this house, and there was a abandoned F250 in the backyard, and it's not been driven for at least 7 years, maybe longer. In fact, removing the old battery says 08, so that might be heck even 10 years or more. I have a new battery here. Hopefully still have a little bit voltage. It was tried to revive a Nissan hard body earlier, and I used some of the juice from it, but I'll put the battery in and see what happens. Also, finding the key was also interesting because I had to go through at least 25 different drawers with full of keys, but finally found it. So we'll see how it goes. Let's also check the oil before we try to turn the engine over. It is pretty low on oil, not gonna lie, but hopefully it's not stuck or seized or anything like that. We'll see. Alright, battery's hooked up and it was sizzling a little bit, so it still has some juice in it, at least to see if it turns over. So let's go find out. I have no idea what's gonna happen, so alright, let's see. We don't have any type of lights here yet, nothing at all. That's not a good sign. There's something, probably the ECU hanging down there. We'll see. At least there's no brakes at all. Let's see, here we go. Oh, we have something. We definitely have something. It says full of gas, but I do doubt. Oh. Alright, transmission is shifting. Oh. Oh, something. Nothing. Alright, we don't get any power now anymore. Let's try again. It's in park now. We don't get anything. Oh, something just happened on the brakes. Alright, let's see what we. These are not really good terminals at all, but they're just really dirty and don't really provide good continuity. Let's try again. Oh, alright, here we go. It turns. Alright, that's a good sign. It's free. Sounds really weak on a compression way, but I'm not surprised. Let's try one more time. It sounds better now. Oh, we got some spark. Sparkle. Alright, let's give it a minute. There was definitely a spark. Some type of combustion happening. And I smell gas, really old gas. Let's see that we are not leaking anywhere, because that would be unfortunate. Definitely smell that something burned in a combustion chamber, so that's a good sign. Let's try again. Oh! I like that. More of that, please. Alright, let's not kill the starter. It does definitely start to knock loose. I can feel compression building up on most of the cylinders. And definitely has all the parts intact. And there is spark at least half of the cylinders, if not more. It really tries, it really tries. Really happy. Really happy little 4. Let's try again. Does the gas pedal work? I can hear throttle body moving, alright. Oh, it almost started. Oh. Oh. Almost. Man, this thing is alive. After who knows how many years. Let's try again, I guess. Oh, oh. Damn. Really close. Oh, we have a light here. Let's see. Oh, it was running a second. It was running a second. That's really cool. And I haven't done anything else than just hooked up the battery and checked the oil, which was low, which I probably should stop here soon, but I can smell the exhaust gas. That's good. That's good. Oh, and it's alive. It is alive. Holy look how well it's running. Damn. That is something. Easiest revive ever. Just hook up the battery and go. I can feel that there's no brakes at all though. Let's see what throttle response is. It definitely needs a little bit adjustment here and there, and some stuff to lubricate all the pretty much everything. It's just but it works. It works. Definitely misfiring a lot. Maybe it'll come around. This is great. It's absolutely amazing. I just wish I had brakes. I don't know if I pump it enough, if something would happen, but it sounds like pretty major air in the system, I'd say. But it is running. Not pretty, but it's running. I mean, heck, it might be full of gas. Or it might be water. I definitely can hear misfiring on this side, at least on 2 cylinders. Yeah, maybe 4 cylinders total misfiring. I wish I had brakes so I could actually try try if transmission is fine. All right, let's give it a second. Well, actually, let's just put some oil in and stuff. Okay, here we go. All right, man, it works. And now all the neighborhood smells like old Ford starting out. Man, that's something. Yep, there's definitely stuff smoking. These new spark plugs, probably some sparkling wires. And look, there's that much oil now. I wonder if all the gas went straight in through the piston rings. Well, this is a start. I just let it cool down and see what else I can do for it. See if you do have full of brake fluid, so it might be the either the master cylinder is not working at all, or the slave cylinder is just out from the game. Let's see, just the that is really dry, but it doesn't smell like gas. Yep, the engine works. That's huge for a free car. All right, I guess I'll give updates once I have more updates.